Hey guys, Ms. Smith here. Just wanted to say happy Friday. We did it. I have my coffee waiting for me over there, so it's going to be a great start to the day. I was super happy to hear about some of the good news that you guys had yesterday from your attendance question. And so a lot of you actually said that you're going to be getting a puppy soon. So hooray for that. I got, again, my two dogs there. There's Maggie and Molly. Hey guys, how you doing? Nope. Okay. And my favorite, I think, was Patrick's that said that he has a parakeet and his parakeet is pregnant, which I just couldn't even wrap my head around what that would look like. And it just was kind of a funny image for me to think of a bird being pregnant, but they have to be, otherwise there'd be no more parakeets. So congrats on everything. A lot of you guys talked about maybe soccer tournaments or sports. On the flip side, a handful of you guys did say there's nothing happy right now. And, you know, that's a fair point that it is some tough times. So we'll be thankful for the few good times that we do have that come along. And hopefully math is one of them. That was a joke, you guys. It's Friday. That was a joke. So a little bit about today. Yesterday, your guys' ed puzzles were not so awesome across the board. So I didn't want to put it in. So if you notice in Infinite Campus, there will be a column that says ed puzzle for yesterday, but I didn't put a grade in. I did put one in if you got a 4 out of 4 on it so that you don't have to redo it, but I wanted to reset it so that you guys were able to rewatch it, retake it, and get hopefully a better score after seeing what it was after the video yesterday. I know there was some new stuff in it kind of at the end about what's the biggest and shortest length that C could be. So there's that. I also put up any sort of links to past work as well as this week's work, and I will be working to go back and get those grades entered in as best as I can. So today the only two things you have to do is go back and rewatch the ed puzzle, and then there is a Google quiz that has to do with last week's skills, adjacent, vertical, complementary, supplementary, angles. I already had one person take it and they got a 10 out of 10. So my hope is that it's kind of an easy review week for you. There are some optional activities for those of you that said you wanted to review complementary angles, supplementary angles. If you want a key, I will try to make a key and post a key under it so that you can check and see how you did on that as well. And there's also an optional Flipgrid for today as well. So I will be meeting with Miss Jones and Miss Reagan around 10 o'clock, 10:30, and we're going to go over some of the stuff that we want to do for next week as well. It'll probably still be angles, triangles along the same lines of what we're doing, but we're going to kind of readjust and see how all our students have done the last week and see if there's anything else that we need to kind of look at again a second time before we move on, or if we move on and maybe circle back to this as well. So hopefully you guys are okay. I know I've been talking a lot this morning. I also got my head wrap out. I haven't worn this one for quite a while, so I'm a little excited about that. And my sunburn looks less. So that's what I'm happy for on this Friday. So if you're doing the Flipgrid, it is about finding triangles, and I already see my chairs have some triangles in them. And then all those triangles are vertical angles, and they should add up to 360 degrees when they're all around like that. Not something that we've covered, but two 180s will make a 360. So I will go on the triangle hunt with you. Maybe I will have Lulu help me find some, but I hope you have a good week. And remember, Monday is a day that you can go back and do any makeup work. There will be no new work assigned. So if you see your name on any of those documents today on your attendance sheet, go back, work on it Monday, work on it Saturday, work on it Sunday, and I will slowly put it in the grade book as you work on it. So here we go, doggies. You guys want to say goodbye? Maggie, Molly, Maggie, hi. You want to say goodbye to my kids? Nope. All right, well, that's about where we're at. So miss you guys. See you guys next week. Have a good one.